Yo, what's up everybody? It's Red Rooster here, and today we're gonna be tier 4ing 5-star red Clementine. Now let's go see her stats real quick. So I need to get her AR, during our levels, and then she's deal 175 damage and cause 150 damage bleeding for 3 turns to one enemy and all enemies adjacent to it. So she basically is, if you put it in the middle, then she's gonna hit everybody. She's probably, I would use her more on like a walker team, or maybe those human stages on the roadmap, or your farm team or something like that. I don't know if she'll be good in like your main raid team, but anyway, we're gonna be tier 4 on her. So anyway, she has a special skill, tenacity, not the best, but yeah. So she can take an Andrea on, basically. So, hold on. I'm sorry, I didn't have enough food, guys. I'm sorry about that. So, I should be, no, I should be good. Alright, so now we're gonna tier 4 her right now. Alright. She is looking pretty darn good, if I say myself. Let's just put this Chris in there. No, they are. Anyway, that was that. And before I go, let me address some things. If you want a shout out, leave it in the comments below. I'll be sure to either give you a shout out next video or the video after. And if I do forget to give you a shout out, then tell me, because it'll be in the next video. So anyway, I just wanted to address that real quick. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, like the video, and see you guys later.